I see you put your phone up there too, huh?
We're watching a KittiesMama family vlog. KittiesMama. So today I got my boba here. My boba.
Gummy bears in the bottom of the drink.
Mmm.
Did you
What
get
flavor
one?
did I get? I don't know what flavor this is, but I haven't gotten one.
You gotta get one.
Mmm.
Gotta get it in your straw.
Oh, hold on. Better push it way down in there.
Uh-huh.
Mm,
Oh. It's like bugs.
And I still don't understand what all the hype is about.
No, it's not like that.
It's
It's fun to
different texture in your
Fire.
drink.
nice to launch it.
It's okay. It's fine. I'll launch it in a bit. We're going to a party.
Wow.
A cool, sick party for Emma's friend. And I'm bringing Joseph his birthday present. Ketchup.
It's not Joseph's birthday party.
No, it's
I'm
not.
bringing Joseph a birthday present.
Ketchup. Great.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Filming you.
Maybe.
You should.
Talking about Emma's boyfriend. Anyway, we made it to the place. You have to untie your shoes. And my opinion is that McDonald's has more decency than this place because they make you keep your socks on.
No, I think you should keep your socks on.
But you can't.
Explain.
At this place, like, more people take their socks off because there's so many disgusting feet.
For a second, I thought they were playing shooting stars, but they're not.
What, you thought it was do.
What are you doing, Micah? Did you put all those up there, Micah? It's overflowing. I see you put your phone up there too, huh? Oh, Micah, you gotta put a little more to the left, or it'll keep falling off. Oh, that rabbit. Got a table full of ball pit balls. Micah! Did I startle you? Uh-oh. Somebody's making something in his britches, I think. Micah, do you have your favorite toy, a baby wipe? You washing your car? Washing your train, I mean? Good job. Good job. Wax her up. Yay! A boy and his baby wipe. Aww. You gonna hug it? You gonna hug it, Micah?